Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the daily market review prepared by analyst and expert from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is September 29 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Novak. But first, let's have a look on 5-minute chart for analyzing yesterday's transactions. The test of 1.0546 coinciding with the rise of MACD oscillator from zero prompted a buy signal that led to a price increase of around 30 pips. Meanwhile, selling on a rebound from 1.0576 resulted in a 20 pip decline. Euro began an upward correction after reports indicated a reduction in Germany's consumer prices and the absence of negative changes in the Eurozone's consumer confidence indicator. Most likely, this momentum will continue today if the upcoming data on core consumer prices show some decrease. However, statements from the ECB President Christine Lagarde regarding interest rates could harm the upside potential. For long positions, buy euro when the quote hits 1.0604 and take profit at the price of 1.0650. Growth may occur as a part of an upward correction, following news of the slowdown in the Eurozone's inflation growth. However, poor data could dampen all buying enthusiasm. Note that when buying, that MACD line should be above zero, or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.0575, but the MACD line should be in an oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0604 and 1.0650. For short positions, sell euro when the quote hits 1.0575 and take profit at the price of 1.0536. Pressure may return at any moment, especially in case of inflation growth in the Eurozone. Note when selling that MACD line should be below zero or dropping down from it. Euro can also be sold after two consecutive price tests of 1.0604, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0575 and 1.0536. The next stage of our review is the next major. Here is Laurie Bailey with GBPUSD pair focused. The British pound started to rise at the 9th Fibonacci timeline on the daily chart. The price broke through the resistance of the embedded price channel line, and it opened the day above this line, indicating the pound's intention to continue this trend that started yesterday. The signal line of the Marlin oscillator has left its own channel and has started to move upward. The previous move below the price channel line is a false move, providing prospects for a solid growth. The nearest target is 1.2307. The pair may continue to rise further towards the point of intersection of the target level at 1.2444, with another embedded line of the global price channel. On the 4-hour chart, the price started to slow down its upward movement at the MACD line, its blue line on graphic. The Marlin oscillator continues to rise, helping the price to overcome the resistance it reached. the price needs to climb above the balance line, yesterday's high, in order to confirm the uptrend. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Yakimovic. Gold has been trading upside this morning, but we found resistance intraday at the price of 1872 and 1875 is on the test. Due to the strong downside trend in the background and morning rally, Petar sees potential for the further drop towards lower reference. Downside objective is set at the price of 1858. RSI oscillator is showing negative reversal, which is good sign for the further drop. Intraday resistance area is set at the price of 1872 and 1875. And finally, here's Dimitrios Topos with USDJPY currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. Early in the European session, USDJPY is trading around 149.40, above the 21 SMA and above the 200 EMA. On the H1 chart, we can see that it's bouncing slightly and intends to continue its uptrend, but it's showing levels of exhaustion. In the next few hours, the USD-JPY pair is expected to consolidate above 148.31. This would mean that it could continue to rise and the instrument could reach 149.70 and could even reach the psychological level of 150.00 around 8A Muri level. On the contrary, in case the Japanese yen falls below the 21 SMA, we could expect it to quickly reach the 200 EMA, located at 148.60, and even 7A Muri at 148.35. The Eagle indicator is given a positive bullish signal. However, we can see that it left a gap around 149.18. If this gap is covered, we could expect a fall towards 148.60 in the next few hours. The daily pivot point is located at 149.34. If in the next few hours the USD-JPY consolidates below this level, it could be seen as an opportunity to sell, with targets at 149.06 and 148.60, 200 EMA. The instrument could even reach 6.8 Muri at 146.87. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.